Hey, welcome to Advertorial Masterclass. So, the goal is to help you create a sales message to sell product without people feeling that they are being sold to you. Well, I am trying to understand why you're here watching my video, but I firmly believe that you came here to learn how to create an article to sell your product or your services excellently. Right. But I want you to look at the bigger picture as well. What I want you to understand is, well, who among you here have received 5 or 7 email sequence? Because those are a form of advertorial. So, without any further ado, what you will learn in this following few section is the most important thing I will teach you, because if you pick this one up, you can build an entire career, whether you are doing affiliate marketing, working with a local company, or selling physical product. You get to write your ticket after you understand how to do this, because this is how you create compelling sales messages. That is, at the deep psychological level, people will not, yes, people will not even realize that they are being sold to you. So let's dive in. Let's get started. But first thing first, before we get started, I have some particular goals. Well, I know you have your goals in this program, but here are my goals. Goal number one is to show you simple path or a few things you can do right away to start your marketing uniquely. I'm not saying that the way how you market your business is not correct, but the market competition is evolving. So we need to upgrade how we do our marketing. How many of you here have experience selling products online? Posted it in all so many different places, but you can't make a sale. And start asking why? Well, let me tell you. The question you must ask is what and who. What is my product about? Who are those people that are interested in this product? Because possibly you are not selling your product to the right audience, and that is the reason why you can't make a sale. Do you agree? Leave in the comment section if you agree or not, and why not? And that we will be going to discuss in the following few sessions of this training. For goal number two is to give you a formula that will make you money for the rest of your life. Guess what? If you are around 1970 or 1980 and don't have any experience writing advertorials, you never make money on that, well, you can still create and make money today. Absolutely. Nothing about the skills I am about to teach you has anything to do with the internet media. Okay? It is just how people read it. So, understanding how to put this together is something that you should be able to make money for the rest of your life. I am going to share with you the skills and formula that you can use over and over again. And that is for goal number two. So for goal number three, it's kind of selfish. You have to come back and share your success story to encourage everyone to learn the process in this industry. Yes, that would be able to help each and everyone and grow together. But those are my goals. If I can do that in the next few sessions, that I've done my job and I've done more than what I have promised. So that's all what I'm about. Without any further ado, are you ready to dive into this? I only have few starting content, so let's get started. All right. For the first section, you will learn the ideal products to promote with advertorials and why they are outstanding. So we'll dive in and get into what kind of stuff you promote with these advertorials. Well, you can promote anything, but you have to know how to do it. And which is this first section, is about. So, first thing first, we're going to talk about how to find the best affiliate advertisements quickly. This is not an affiliate marketing type course. This is not where I'm saying, hey, you have to go for someone else's product if you have nothing of your own. No assets, no client right now. But the easier way to make money is to affiliate with someone whose products are excellent. And next is we're going to talk about local businesses. What are the type of businesses or business to promote with advertorials and why? Well, these are not the whole list, but these are the one that got me attention because they are so easy and so you can just sort of recreate a process over and over again. I'm going to talk about that and I'm going to share some secrets to it with local businesses. After that, we will talk about the math. Math is pretty simple, but I have a whole section dedicated to math because you better be doing the math. If you don't do the math before you start something like this with any sort of ad campaign online, especially with advertorials, you might get upset because it didn't work out and then begin to look at the numbers and, well, it didn't have a shot in the first place. Okay? And then we're going to do a fast start, already mapped out affiliate promotion. It's like a it's like a bonus section. So let's get started.